How to delete ClassPass account. First of all, when you're on the ClassPass app here, you want to click the bottom right hand corner where it says Profile. Then here, click on Settings. Next, you'll want to scroll down until you see Contact Us. There is not an actual delete account button. You'll have to do this way. So click the Contact Us. Then all you need to do is it will bring up like this conversation here where you can go ahead and type in a message. Then you just want to type in, please delete my data and delete my account. Then send that message, and then essentially what it will do is it will agree to delete your account. But you need to, after sending the message, you'll get another one back, and then you'll need to say proceed. You'll need to say kind of agree to what they've said in the message there. It should look something a bit like this. Then you need to kind of agree to it. Then once you've agreed to it, click said proceed, then it will go ahead and go into the deleting account process, which should take either a few days or a few weeks depending, but eventually the account will be deleted. So that's the only way to do it. Leave a like on the video if it helps, and subscribe for more helpful videos.